Welcome back, my friends. I bring to us a good news to us because this coin, I know you're going to really make some profit. If you've lost from other tradings, this coin should be able to help you to make back most of your losses. KuCoin is the first centralized exchange that's listing this coin. I just made my analysis now, and it shows that this coin is going to be first listed on KuCoin as a centralized exchange. It has been on Uniswap and PancakeSwap for a long time. Then today, KuCoin is listing it in their exchange, and after KuCoin goes to Gate.io, I just saw this from their Telegram group, and I'm very much excited for my fans this morning. So the announcement goes like this: that KuCoin is listing norm exactly at 13 o'clock UTC time. That should be around 2 p.m. in Nigeria time. So please do your own research to find out what 13 o'clock is in your own local time. Please. Please, my friends, I will also post more information about this token in the Telegram, in the description box below for you to read more and do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just giving you quick update as it comes. So, my friends, please let's go to CoinMarketCap and see that this coin is currently at the stage of ICO. Please, my friends, if you can really wait for this coin to be live on KuCoin, fine. But if you cannot, instead of jumping in and losing your money, just hold on. After some time, you can just buy and then get ready for Get.io listing that is coming up on 18th. I'll give you more information about this coin. So stay cool to the end of this video. I want to make it as short as possible. You can buy this coin. Okay, I think you can actually buy this coin from Uniswap or PancakeSwap. So getting the contract address is not here. Maybe I can do my research and see how we can actually get the contract address from the group. So thank you, my friends, as we actually get ready to jump into this project as it's coming. Now let's go to the Telegram group. While we do that, I will please encourage you to subscribe to my channels, as I'm making a consistent effort in giving us information about exchanges and their new listings. And my friends, this is where we are now at the Telegram group. Currently there are about 27,000 members and about 4,000 plus is online. Here, my friends, here, look at this update here. It shows that they are listing on coin on Gate.io on 18th of November, exactly at the same time that KuCoin is also listing. So, my friends, please do well to be part of this. Let's once again check the time that KuCoin is also listing. They are listing tomorrow, being 17th of November. So from here, you can see that Gate.io is coming. This coin numbers is coming to Gate.io on 18th of November. So my friends, expect huge profits from this token. And once again, I'm going to drop on the description box below for you to join our Telegram group for free, where we will also give you more recent and quick updates about other listings and things that you need to know. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please, my friend, just this is the only thing I'm asking of you. Help us to hit 1,000 subscribers before this month ends, and I will appreciate, just like I'm doing this little work for you from my end. Thank you so much. See you in our next video as we see that we are getting ready to make it big in this world of crypto.